So once again, I'm here to teach you how to use if else condition and wait for step inside the our workflow. So if you are in the workflow, you need to select or click the button plus button and select if else to send the condition but to send the condition branch. And if you are done with that, set your condition if contact has tag bi BIP, send message else, send another use wait step to delay condition by minutes, hours, and days. This will allow the workflow to behave different based on contacts behavior data, behavior data. So if you're done with that, you can proceed to another step